very worried, bothered, very wise, clever, very willing, ready, very wide, voluminous, very tired, fed up, very careful, watchful, very tight, compact, very tasty, palatable, very talented, gifted, very sweet, delicious, very slow, moderate, very easy, simple. Very simple, elementary, very shy, bashful, very serious, grave, very scary, intimidating, very rainy, wet, very pretty, elegant, very cheap, affordable, very clean, spotless, very short, precise, very quick, fast, very perfect, intact, very lovely, attractive, very lively, bright, very light, shiny, very fast, quick, very evil, immoral, very eager, ambitious, very dull, uninteresting, very cute, charming, very clever, smart, very afraid, horrified, very accurate, correct, very rich, prosperous, very quiet, silent, very funny, entertaining, very calm, gentle, very heavy, big, very great, vast, very glad, joyful, very friendly, amicable, very fat, overweight, very fancy, decorative, very excited, delighted, very empty, worthless, very deep, profound, very dear, beloved, very crowded, congested, very creative, innovative, very poor, needy, very noisy, loud, very boring, monotonous, very big, massive, very beautiful, gorgeous, very angry, annoyed, very sure, certain, very special, exceptional, very sorry, remorseful, very soft, delicate, very smooth, plain, very skinny, bony, very loose, disconnected, very long, lengthy, very lazy, indolent, very large, huge, very hot, upset, very hungry, starved, very weak, fragile, very warm, scorching, very exciting, interesting, very happy, glad, very stupid, senseless, very good, great, very open, unlock, very old, aged, very often, constantly, very nice, amiable, very messy, disarranged, very mean, extremely, very confused, disorganized, very colorful, flashy, very busy, occupied, very bright, sharp, very strong, durable, very upset, frosty, very sad, depressed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, turn on the notifications.